Our goal at the California Department of Education is for all students, regardless of where they are from or where they live, to graduate prepared for college and careers. This brief 5-minute student video will help give key information about the upcoming Smarter Balanced Field Test. This field test is meant to closely mimic the upcoming real test in 2015, so concerns can be addressed as well as provide an opportunity to test the test.
Hi, this is Avery reporting for Kids on Campus, here at a local school asking students what they know about a very important field test they will be taking in the next few months. Let's find out what they know about it. Have you heard about the computerized field test being given in March?
No, I haven't.
I am not. I'm not taking any computer classes.
Should I be studying for this?
What do you know about the upcoming state field test?
Not another test.
Is it like a chapter test?
Am I going to be graded on this?
It seems no one knows about this super important field test. Let's go over the basics. Yes, this is a field test using a computer. No, you will not be graded. The real test is next year. The field test will be used to see if the current questions are good enough to be on next year's test.
Wait. We're not getting graded? We're just finding out if the questions are good enough for the real test? Isn't that a waste of our time? Why should we even care?
Why should we care about any tests? What are tests for?
To know for learning?
To see if we need extra help.
To see how smart we are?
Those are all good answers, but we need to look at this like a fire drill. This type of test is different. We need to test the test. Now think about it. Why do we have fire drills?
To get out of class. To make sure we know what to do when there's a fire.
That's partially right. You do need to know what to do in case of a fire, but there's more to a fire drill. It's to test the sirens.
And test the announcement system.
And the path you take to get to the evacuation area.
I never thought about it like that.
Most people don't. You see, this upcoming test is really a system check for the real test coming next year. So can anyone tell me why this field test is so important?
I guess, like the fire drill, we need to make sure our school can handle the test.
That there are enough computers, and they actually work.
And we know what the questions look like.
And how to answer them.
And our teachers know how to give it.
And all the mice work.
Wow, that sounds pretty important.
Yep, that's right. Now let's talk about the field test. We're taking it on computer, so no more number 2 pencils.
Yes! Now my hand won't cramp from filling in all those bubbles.
The questions and how you answer them will be different. Some of the questions will be like the STAR test, where you select A, B, C, or D, while others will ask you to drag and drop your answers in the correct box. Some will ask you to draw your answers, and some will ask you to type in a complete answer or fill in the blank. Because this is so different, they set up a practice test we can play with online to get familiar with the questions and know what to expect.
Where can I go online to try out the practice test?
Here, let me show you. Just go online to the California Department of Education website. Type in Smarter Balanced Practice Test in the search box. Select the first link on the list, and then scroll down and click the green box. The username and password are already filled in as guessed, so just click Sign In. Choose your grade level and click Yes. Then click the test and follow the directions. There you go.
Why such a big change? Why take the test on the computer?
Our schools have been teaching these standards called Common Core. The new test will be based on these new standards and will help you see how ready you are for college or a job. It's a whole new type of test.
Well, my parents are going to ask me where they can get more information.
The best place is the California Department of Education website at www.cde.ca.gov. Tell your parents and friends to get more information about the test.
So, when are we taking this field test?
Sometime between March 18th and June 6th. You should ask your principal for the exact dates. You know, I've been taking written tests for as long as I remember. We know a lot about technology, and it's really cool that we're the ones that get to take the field test, right? Yeah. Well, I think we did a great thing here today. The students know more about the upcoming field test, where to find the practice test, and where to get additional information. I'm Avery, reporting in the field for Kids on Campus. See you next time. For more information, check out www.cde.ca.gov. ed.ca.gov.